Ukiniita Martha Karua mimi sitalia. Kutokubandika many titles, that is not insulting. Sisi hatutusi, lakini kwa vile wewe pia ni mdogo wangu, naweza kuita Dr. William Ruto alias majina ingine. But the one we know is the taxman Sakayo, because he has been oppressing people with oppressive taxes. But let us have a country that has tolerance. Those who wish to support him, it is their right. But do leave us alone also to unite and support one another. You heard me telling my people not to introduce themselves with the name of the party you have known. I have been leader of NAC Kenya, but we have rebranded. We will be launching our brand soon, next month. Or are we already in? Yeah, next month of February. And the name is People's Liberation Party, PLP. Na musifikirie tume-apply jana. We applied for those names in May of last year, long before there were the protests. But the process is just becoming complete. I know I have heard my brother is likely also to be launching, but I'm inviting you all. PLP ni nyumba kubwa. Mukisikia mnataka kuingia, njooni tutembee. Mukiform ingine, hata hiyo hatukatai, because we'll still work together. Vile tuko hapa, kila mtu ako na dini yake, lakini zote tuko hapa. Hata chama tunaweza kuwa many political parties, but all marching to the same direction. And I know many of us have said, I also said that I'll be vying for presidency, not for another seat. But this time round, we want to say the nation is greater than any of our ambitions. Allow me to grow my ambition for presidency and to grow my brand. Let my brother somewhere else grow their brand. Let everybody grow their brand. But we must know at the back of our minds that as we near that time, we will come together and get one flag bearer. Because if we really want to liberate Kenya, Kenya has to be bigger than any one of us. Siyo ni kweli? Yes. Maneno mingi tugaga sira mwingi ni wotho ni ugikatia. Neno ni ndugu turanyitithania tondu gikuyu ugaga ndugu ni ndui ni makinya. Tuyaba kuthondeka urata witu. No urata uyu tukurimira ati no binya urigiaga. Ni twanyitanira. Na tondu ni muona tuyaba andu ingi tukuthondeka nginya kwagire. Na mundu gukwiraga ati andu aya me aba no makirima ni wona na secretary general wakwa ni mundu umite kuraya. Twina andu nginya vihiga ndirona guku. So here we are a small sample of the nation of Kenya, and we are ready to march together as Kenyans. Once again, Your Excellency and Pastor Dorcas and the entire entourage,